The two strands of DNA, they are made of sugar and phosphate. The diameter of the loop comes to be approximately 2 nanometer. So this is a double helix model suggested by Watson and Crick. What we see here, the two strands, they are made up of sugar and phosphate. There are steps like structure, they are the nitrogenous bases. The length of one turn comes to be 3.4 nanometer. The distance between two base pair is 0.34 nanometer and the diameter of the loop is 2 nanometer. So we will now see the detailed structure of the monomer, that is called as nucleotide, and its details. So to learn or to understand the basic structure of nucleotide, first of all, see this small model. The nucleotide, this is the whole structure of nucleotide, and it consists of three important groups. This is a complete structure of nucleotide and it consists of three important groups. The first group is sugar. It is called as pentose sugar. Second group is called as group of phosphate. This sugar and phosphate group in the nucleotide, it forms the strand of DNA, and the steps, they are made up of nitrogenous bases. So is that clear to you? The nucleotide, this is the structure of nucleotide and it has three main important groups. The first group is the group of sugars, pentose sugar, phosphate group and the nitrogenous base. Now one by one we will see the details of sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous base. So here is again one model of the group sugar present in the nucleotide. You can see here the shape of the sugar. It is pentagon structure. It has pentagon structure. How is the structure? It is called as pentose sugar. Why pentose? The meaning of pentose is 5. What is 5 here? Here 5 carbon atoms are present in this pentose sugar. See the structure of sugar. In this shape, at the upper portion, there is an oxygen atom. When we turn to the right of oxygen clockwise direction, at this corner there is connected a carbon atom. Another carbon atom to next corner, another carbon atom to next corner, another carbon atom to next corner, and the next carbon atom is outside the ring-like structure, this pentose ring. And the numbering of carbon is given as from oxygen, right to the oxygen, that is clockwise direction, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4 and carbon 5. There are 5 carbon atoms present in this pentose sugar. Then you can again see here some functional groups are attached to this carbon atom. To the carbon atom 1, hydrogen and hydroxyl groups are attached. Carbon second atom, 2 functional groups hydrogen and hydrogen are attached here. For carbon 3, hydroxyl group and hydrogen group. Carbon 4, at one side hydrogen and another side the next 5th carbon is attached, and to the 5th carbon there is attached a phosphate group. You can again see here to the carbon 1 there is attached a nitrogenous base. Now you have to compare this pentose sugar with this pentose sugar. What differences you can see here? The similar structure of oxygen and oxygen. Numbering is also similar. C1, C1, C2, C2, C3, C3, C4, C4 and C5. Here is also C5, which is located, carbon 5th is located outside the ring. But what is the difference? See here, at the second carbon atom, here hydrogen is attached, and in the next pentose sugar, what is attached here? Here instead of hydrogen, hydroxy group, that is OH group is attached. This is the major difference between two pentose sugar. Here removal of oxygen. Oxygen is removed from this pentose sugar, and removal of oxygen is called as deoxy. The meaning of deoxy is removal of oxygen from the second carbon atom, and that's why it is called as deoxyribose sugar, because one oxygen atom is removed from the carbon second. And this is called as the ribose sugar, because here oxygen is not removed. So this is the major difference between DNA and this is the RNA sugar. This sugar present in DNA because of the removal of one oxygen atom from the carbon 2. And this sugar is present in the RNA because there is no removal of the oxygen from the carbon 2. So, can you see here the difference between deoxyribose sugar and the ribose sugar? This deoxyribose sugar present in DNA and this sugar is present in RNA. This is the second group present in the nucleotide, and that is called as phosphate group. This group comprises of phosphorus in the center, and to the phosphorus 4 carbon atoms are attached which are negatively charged. The formula is H3PO4. So this is the second important group in the nucleotide, that is the phosphate group, which is attached to the sugar group, that is to the pentose sugar group. This is the third group in the nucleotide, that is called as nitrogenous base group. In this nitrogenous base group, the this nitrogenous base molecule contains nitrogen, and that nitrogen acts as a base. Human body contains organic chemicals having carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and the nitrogen in nitrogenous base combines to all these atoms to form a ring-like structure. There are two ring-like structures present in the nitrogenous base of DNA. One is single ring structure and another is double ring structure. The single ring structure is called as pyrimidines and the double ring structure is called as purines. There are three types of pyrimidines. They are thymine. For thymine the symbol is T. Second one is cytosine and the symbol for cytosine is C. And the third one is uracil. The symbol is U. This uracil is present in the RNA and the T and C, thymine and cytosine, are present in the DNA. There are two types of purines and they are called as adenine A and guanine G. Differences in size of the rings are very important as it helps to pair properly.